reach on Tuesday reach, on Wednesday reach. I don't see my order. So now I call the ask her, how far with my order? She not call they reply me. Then I call her, she not call pick.
If you come on camera.
Yes.
On camera now.
Come on. Okay. I didn't go. Come on. Yes. Okay. Good evening, Papa.
Good evening.
So I can't buy these things for her hand. I got her. She can't tell me say I call her no order direct from TikTok.
What do you buy from her hand?
Goat meat, full goat meat. She said 200 euro. And sherry.
Okay.
Now I buy for her hand. So she can't tell me say these things go come. If she post on Monday, she go do fast delivery, they go come on Tuesday. I can say okay. So I call her well, Monday call reach. She not give me update. She's gonna give me update like the tracking number. She not give me update. Then on Tuesday call reach, I not disturb her. Then on the third day on Wednesday, now call her Tanfa. You know, I not see my package. Oh. She not reply. I could call her. After that, I could call her. She not pick my call. I call her time again. You did no person, you don't feel like person. After I never post your thing. Oh. See what you have to make her for no. She not still reply. Then I call her. She call pick. She say, oh, no verse. So who they talk? That's what she want to who they talk. I buy 20 for your hand. She say sherry. Okay, now sherry. Okay, now so she want be sherry. I buy goat meat and sherry for your hand. He say, oh, okay, right. For no, who be the person. I say, make her write it for what? I say, yes, just write me, just write. I call write her. She not still reply. After she called the call, she not reply. Then on the 6th of it, I can still write her again. You don't post my meat. She can send me, oh, I never still post her. Oh. It could be on Friday when I tell write after on Sunday. Oh. Then on Friday, I call write her. He said she never post her. She not post her again. Say Saturday and Sunday, the meat go spoil for road. Say on Monday, she go post her, which was this Monday. So I can say, okay. On Monday reach now, this woman not still post the thing. I can say, why my order? You not go post this thing. I call the caller, she not they pick my call. I go call, she not go pick. I go tell person make call her, she pick down her call, but she not go pick my call. I can say, okay, if you not go pick her, madam, so return my money. I not go insult, I'm not talking about, I'll even call, I'll greet her, good evening. I beg, if you not say you not send this thing again, return my money. Because that money not be if you small for me, not small, they work with. She not reply. Then this today, which yesterday, I can't call her, she not pick. Then today as I do work, I can't say she write me hello, good evening. I can't say where is my order? That was yesterday. I can't say where's my order, she not reply. So today I can't surprise say she send me voice message. They tell me say, oh, you gonna give me to Inogie for what you buy? For no post your thing, I don't quickly post on yesterday. If I know say you go do like this, because of time for no post on. I not replying because I did busy. Then she go send me video of Sherry. And I'm not gonna send your Sherry does spoil. And you go send me account, I give you return your Sherry money for you. I not still reply because I did busy. Then the last one she sent me say, you just send me wrong address. You send me wrong address. Why you they blame me? You are not getting your order. What nonsense? Now she write. Call send for me.
Matter.
She know I don't understand. She know the pick, and when she will pick, you the like say she not know me like the number whether she delete her. I don't know. Who they talk? Okay, write me for WhatsApp. When she pick the second time, she dey tell me say she go do the thing. Friday that already reach. Why you leave until Monday? Which she be say the first day make I talk to this woman, she pick her. That was on Sunday. She pick her. We talk directly. I not call her for WhatsApp. I just want to say, Alpha, I want that goat meat. I see your video. She say, okay, no problem. Say she get everything. She go just send now. And I say, okay. I send her my address. I send her everything. Now she dey tell me say she not get address. She not get anything again. Say what I give her not correct. I know you understand. So I don't write give police. So from now to anytime they go see right now. I can't see right my sparker say they said they'll see what they'll do. I tell her say bring my money come back. Now she dey tell me say my address not correct. Make I send my address. Come give her me. She send. I don't need that. Make give me
So
money.
you now you still need the order
I
or
don't
na
need
your
the
money
other
is
again.
pending?
I don't need the other again. Make you return my money.
So you want to say you don't know this lady?
I don't know, Amo. I don't know. I never seen her before.
Pardon, sir.
Yeah,
Otema no.
okay.
So now my younger sister, since when she tell her that this goat meat, you know they let me, she went there, so now they let me rest. Now so cry, they cry for me for phone. They don't scam me for TikTok. They don't scam me for TikTok. Okay, this woman, I come across this woman when you first saga around that time. She not tell me say she won't buy. I first say make it not buy from her. She not already buy. Now say this name look for me. Now I tell her that for WhatsApp. Now I say this when she dey post be Odogo. Now I say hey, my sister don still go for put. Now I tell write to you say yesterday I say come. I said just come on your live stream yesterday. The 2 seconds when I spent for your live stream yesterday, this woman got my page. They screenshot everything for her. She got my page. She picked my number. She write me for WhatsApp. Now insult. If I send you the voice when she sent for me. Now insult. Now she got
Yes.
to insult me. Now insult. She just send me voice notes. Insultive voice note. So when I come sit down reason, I come say this woman supposed to reply her. Now I sit and reply her. That time my sister dey work. So she just still report to police. I tell her say make she still come meet you.
Which city your sister dey?
I did Sulzbach.
Eh?
Sulzbach, Rosenberg. He dey near Neuenberg.
All those Bayan area for that
Yes,
side.
my Bayan, don't Bayan, I just did.
Africa store not do that side.
African store they bought down they sell this meat like that. I don't know until they sell them. So as I come across her, the way she take poster, people copy the order. That's my sister.
If you see the way this woman take post this thing, even you yourself, you go out that if you don't know her before. New account now she dey open. New account, 4 accounts, 4 accounts. Like the smallest one, then my sister tell order. She not the 2 day active for TikTok like that. If
the
not,
account
she
now
for know
1,000
this
plus
woman.
followers. I can't say people they buy. I can't they see comment. I can't say okay. I can't check them.
You are here. You know why they laugh? Because I
You
read
tell
something.
me I go buy am, I go buy, I go buy am, I go sell am for you.
Wait. Hello, Madam say. Okay, then yati with me. Hello, Madam say. The day live stream here now, and what to be your name again, Giovanni? Which name it?
Sharon.
Which Sharon? When you follow about the thing?
I order on the 1st of March, now Sunday.
1st of March?
Yes.
When it come tell you say the thing go
deliver? He go post on Monday, they go come the next day, which is on Tuesday.
Okay. Then when the name which day you can't give them since you say on Sunday? Hello. Yes. When he follow you buy all those things, he pay you, you don't see the money. Which day you can tell her say you go take get them?
Yeah, I tell her before say she go see her the next. If I post her on Monday, she go see her the next day, which is the man when they bring her come for me. Supposed to bring her come on Sunday. I need to put her for inside fridge, inside freezer. You understand? Because I know if you post her like that, so if you don't block before I go post her.
Okay. So. Okay, when you not come feed post on that day where you give them, you still call them back when you tell them, say, CEO, see the changes, so see what it can happen.
He call me.
Okay.
He call me for sometimes if he call me for WhatsApp, maybe I know the day online or they attend to people for store and all those things. But my normal now 2 phone I they use. my other phone, I just put my SIM card, my Leica SIM card inside, and my WhatsApp phone, my WhatsApp business phone is different. So if person call me from my normal phone, I dey always dey pick. If na WhatsApp, maybe after I don't do wetin I dey do finish, maybe I don relax for night, and here I come dey stop with the reply small. When she call me for normal call, I explain to her, say, see you know, say many people dey when e buy goat meat from me, and na only me one. I no go fit just carry everything at once go post office. If I post maybe for like 5 people today, tomorrow for like other 5
Right, lie and a lie.
the software take dey do am.
Giovanni Mudiano go for them.
Na so I take the software take dey do am. You understand? So and the way you take first make payment, na so I take the first post your things. No be she first make payment. She don see the video. I don post the video days, abi even weeks ago. Before she come see and she come make payment. And the man when they bring goat meat come for me, let's say every week, now they bring come for me. You understand? So for example, now say post now say goat meat don't come on. Maybe quick, maybe like 10 goat meat 90. Maybe come quick like 15 people make payment. The 10 when it day, I go post now for the 10 people when fair make payments. Then the remaining people, like the 5 people, they need to wait for the next week. You know, make I won't come for the next week.
Power tap.
So when she still call me, I see explain to her, say, see how the matter be you. So now so.
All right. Now when she go get her food stuff and everything
I don't even post the meat yesterday. So when I post on yesterday, I still go post for people today. She's supposed to receive them today. So when I can't reach post office, I can't show them, say, this person, I post for her, because post office when I say they post, sometimes 24 hours the person go receive them. You understand? Depends on the place when you did, because all city, some post office they fast, while some not they fast. So I can't show them, say, see her name or see the place when I post on the go. They say the post letter, make she accept, check her whether the post letter which she sent for me, whether it correct. As they tell me, say the address, this thing correct. Based on saying that they are center post office, now you better tell them, they just correct. And now me come tell her in the morning, say, you they blame me, say you don't receive your things. Yes. Check your post letter. When you stand for me, if people say it correct, because they blame me, what nonsense. That make me talk like that. You understand?
Okay, now may I tell you, as far as you know now, you want to do this business of goat, you go so fit take the order where you go fit deliver before you take another orders. They listen. Not be say you take 100 orders. Person where order go from you can't want make they can't wait, make you call reach their turn before you can't give them their goat. Only them marvel at all. If na 5 goats you go fit deliver for 1 person, for 5 persons, fair collect them and finish. If another person tell you say goat me dey, tell them say me they wait. It go there easier for you, because she call you now, you dey ask her who, because there are too many.
No, because the phone when she take call me, not being at the save numbers, not be my business WhatsApp day. So I will need to ask who they talk. What do you buy? So I will take know who they talk. Whether I don't post your things, I need to check where the right hand they put.
Okay, you don't correct the address now.
Yes, I don't correct her.
Okay, so when the things go come reach around now, since you now today you know.
Receive her tomorrow. I think you're supposed to receive her tomorrow, because tomorrow or Monday. Tomorrow now weekend already. Depends on the way their post office stay fast, because you get person when me post goat meat give 2 days, a bit 3 days ago. 3 days ago now, so the person receive her.
They give you tracking number.
She not give me anything.
They give you not be you me the ask Giovanni.
Okay.
They give you tracking number for where you for go post the things.
Yes, they give me. I get a lot of tracking number.
No, for you, but not be a lot, for your particular one.
Yes, I think so.
Okay,
yes.
I beg you go do me when you send me that tracking number, so that we'll use that one the track on between now till on Monday. When you say on Monday go see him. Okay. The sherry and the goat meat, abi?
The sherry for inside there. They send out the video. that Sherry person when he bring and come for me, he tell me say he go come on Friday. Based on Nigeria, the Sherry go, they go not be me, they go, they bring am by myself. You understand? So say Sherry go come, the person when they bring and come for me, constantly go bring and come on Friday. On Friday, he not come. On Sunday, I can't call the person. He say now so flight delay. Now so the Sherry will come the following day, which is 3 days. Sherry now they already wrap inside something, inside cellophane. Heat already cash and the Sherry don't press together. So now me come take video and say I know if you put your Sherry because Sherry don't press. If I send out for you now, that one I say another problem again.
Okay.
You understand?
Now to cut the story short because of time. Now let me meet you compost now.
Yes, I will.
So now you not need to call refund the Sherry money back to him. How much for the Sherry? Only the Sherry.
I think 27 euro and I should buy. I mean,
you think? Not they think again. You see, the work is too much for you. That's why you think.
You don't pay the exact amount when I did.
Giovanni Boo.
Yes, sir.
How much do you buy?
I buy share of 27 euro.
Okay, meaning she's right. So now she go send you 27 euro now.
Epa, this woman got me to the fear me.
No, wait. Make she talk finish. Wait,
Sharon. Wait. As far as say now what she they said to other people, and then make the adversary just now say make she they take orders where she fit do because she get family. She said she they do business. So if you want to take orders from people, deliver it to them before you take another fresh orders. As this week be, you the write am for ground. If not 20 you want to do, you the write am. Monday, I'll send 4. Tuesday, madam, you see your own. Madam, I'll do your own Tuesday. Madam, I'll do your own Wednesday. It will be easy like that. So that they go know when they go see the door.
How that goat meat matter sit
Yeah.
Like the man who be me they go where they for the kill and go they carry up by myself. Now person they bring and come.
They know Adam they don't want know. They know Adam you will explain. They people they buy this goat meat from you. No one know where the goat meat from the come.
No, I just want to explain why sometimes it be like that.
Okay.
Like the best way they bring goat meat come for me. Today, now me and I talk about make it bring 10 pieces come for me. Now five is still bring come for me. Me and I would already plan and say, okay, see how many you go bring come for me.
Okay.
You can go bring 5.
The best thing so that people not go to drag you again. Because this business where you open now, I don't want make people come steal from here, they drag you again. Because any issue come, you know, say people they always they go media. So as far as you know say they go media, you will try everything best possible to make sure say you do everything humanly possible to please your customers. Customers is always right. Before you take orders, ask the man where they keep goat for you. Or how many goat they grand. Now that one you go position to the people who want for the bag go say, I get 5 pieces of goat for ground because now that what the man tell you go tell your people. Not be say you don't take orders of 100 goat meat, the man call they give you 5. At the end of the day, they go want me you do refund. So not go tarnish your image and reputation again for goat meat matter.
Whoa. This woman not get reputation. You tell me your make she wait, make I talk a beg.
This is Kevin where you go on. I bet you try to send me the track number.
Epa, I be the immediate elder sister of Giovanni. The thing is, this woman saying don't post the goat meat, no problem. My sister don't go report for police, say the person is scammer. Because of say my sister don't report, she no longer need this goat meat again, and she not trust this woman with her belly again. We don't need that. So what did she go do? If she never ship and make she hold the money, if she go refund, make she refund.
This is Kevin, wait. No. What's the police station in? No.
Yes, so I said this woman. She sent me phone.
As far as I don't bring the matter to me.
If I via phone before now, if via I dey do business too. I know they shop it for money.
She sent me
live stream. If you get this live stream, you know say I don't shop your money. I don't send you here when you order for. Come outside, man, you drag me for a I no get platform now, beg. If I don't want the goat,
this is your email, police inspection.
If she want eat the money, make she eat am. Make I already write to police. They don't already, she don't give them everything what they want. So if she go refund, she go refund. Then my sister will go close the case. Go tell them say she don't refund.
People they write for comment section say Adam say it too early. See, if you want judge this lady here, we do on WhatsApp on me. We fit judge her with another thing, but this particular one, so I beg.
If I say not be my problem, if I did say not be my problem, I not get issue with that woman. Say
money, your younger sister take better go to me.
Yes, sir.
In one working ya.
If I know what she tell me, he said come on 250 €.
He said me na retire shower. Now what did she tell me? He said me na retire shower. Tell this woman make she return how a go. Tell this woman make she return that 250 €. If she no want return her, make she shop the goat me, make she shop the money. Simple. I respect you so much, I respect you so much.
Mrs. Kevin Wama. But if goat meat come reach your sister tomorrow on Monday, why where?
I don't think
I'm not
receive.
collect her from their hand. They go return and go give you send down. She not go collect her. She not go trust this woman with her belly again. I go do goat meat for Italy. I go fry and send that for my sister for Germany. If na waiting go take be that.
Okay. Please, I love mommy.
She write me, they tell me say, just come out 250 €, now go they write you for what you buy, all this kind of talk, what you buy, said, I don't work for my money, now you know where they see your money, 250 € big for me, if it's not big for you.
If the voice message when this woman sent for me, I know how they get my money, I know how they get my money, I know insult when customers, they insult me because of what they buy from me.
Why can't me be never like not meet before?
Mama, the voice you know what sent the Gunevo here now. The voice when she sent for me this morning, the voice message they somehow she just insults me. He said they senseless. Now so the insult was too much. I been not want to return the insult. I been not want to talk to her. But as I can see the way the thing they go, be like okay. Now just. So if she no want return the money, no problem. Make she eat am. Yeah, there with Italy. Yeah, fry egg. You tell me with Germany. No worry, only a problem.
Wait till Mrs. Kevin, you want to talk how not know each other?
That Mrs. Kevin, so when I carry load for when I new start to carry load, I never know how it be, how custom they do one and all those things. I just need start 2019 and 2020. When cost is my load, her load contain inside. That ain't make her she the vet for me, not be any.
I know.
Okay.
Not be me, Jesus. I don't know you before.
Why she did lie?
We ain't married there.
Maybe me I aware. Now what's me? Me aware. I don't know you. It can go. Yeah.
No, Mrs. Kevin, more remove anger. You don't know her.
I don't know her before. I don't know her before. Jesus. I'm gonna go. Can I'm answer for the do they go. If she not gonna return the money, no problem.
Where you are here? I can't know.
I cannot check. After the done, share the page for me.
Okay, now you post and say they sell goat meat for TikTok.
Yes,
now. If they delete comments, people just the comment, scam, thief. If just the delete comments.
See, Adam, your boss lady. You know what you go do for me now? Number one, as far as you don't do business. Even me was still there, so I did loyal to my fans. If now some people they see this kind of view, women they see so. They'll call they look their fans say they be slave. No, you don't do that because your fans made you who you are. As far as say you are a businesswoman, you have to be loyal to your customers. Even if they are trying to provoke you, just try and do business with them. If they come again, if you tell them say you don't need them, make them go. Just to protect your own identity.
I did very, very loyal. I did very, very appreciative to my customers. And now because maybe she don't know me or the way she ought to be put on. You know, some people if they buy something for your hand, they know they get patient.
Now lie, I was very patient. You did very wicked and rude. You very rude.
I have for my hand. Say they try to comb the hair. Say come no enter the hair. Make this woman bring those people come outside. He say I don't do people for TikTok. Say the people don't pay me. They don't see their hair. Make she bring those people come outside. Those people. Make she bring her. I say people don't report my matter to her. Make she bring those people too.
Now what thing go happen? Before we go take this matter again, may we patient.
If it goes me video, we post the way I carry my two left.
Adam, we all drove on wait. Listen to me now.
It's scary. She don't feel already.
This matter now, I want Adam this matter now. This is
I don't get your bad belly. I don't know you. Okay, sir.
They listen. We are on. We said the tracking number going. That's one. Then two. Maybe we wait. Maybe you get that good me tomorrow on Monday.
Hey, Pashi, they lie.
What?
I carry goat meat. You want to give me goat meat?
A goat meat in your mobile. You're telling me collect the man. He don't deliver.
Wait, may your sister collect the goat meat first. Let's know what to do from there. She they talk on that for public say tomorrow or Monday. She go send me the tracking number. I will still send that for your
younger sister. If I not be tomorrow or Monday after they talk, so make sure they send that immediately. That is morning. She said she's yesterday. She said she send that.
She go send that immediately for the tracking. The goat meat, you know, if you send that this night.
No, if I send the tracking, make send the tracking immediately. Say don't send that it yesterday. Make it send the tracking immediately. Me, I be business person too. Make send that now.
Okay, you just say. Okay.
I take on a Maria. I can't be this.
Okay, send me the tracking number. Now.
Yeah.
Okay. I dey wait to kick by the line. Any me now with more man.
Oh wow.
A goat meat, that goat meat. If my sister if they will deliver am, my sister not collect am from the people when deliver am hand. You know go collect am, you know touch am.
So what happen here now, Mrs. Kevin?
Okay.
This thing, now let me do my way. I know what they do.
Okay, sir.
Now, he said don't send the goat meat. He said don't send the goat meat.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now maybe we wait for tracking number. Maybe we wait for goat meat tomorrow. We don't even enter. Okay, we never enter tomorrow. We'll wait for Saturday, which is tomorrow, and on Monday.
If I not forget, she said she not fit send that goat meat for weekend. Say go spoil. She talk am before.
Okay, Kevin. When you were relaxing there.
Okay,
we
pa.
Calm down. When you calm down, maybe we wait for goat meat. Meanwhile, carry. Hello, tell me no. Yeah. Hey, Berago Dukunya.
Go see, send me ready. You can't go to
Anywhere.
I send a gem. Me ready. Leave and cut.
Quinsley.
Good evening, everyone. Otin butter.
Quinsley.
Irene, why you have butter? Okay. Every time I went 19, you understand? I'm a business person. Sometimes some of you and this kind of thing good for now because a Kenyan scam one young man. But I need to say one thing. Why grill? My sister, why will send the year? Then you send the year, Gilman. Instantly, what post you no say the tracking gear. Sister, the tracking number where and the tracking number log on our Sunday. See, who I will post here, send the tracking number. Let's see. And it's not like you send the tracking number. Yana, the real one where guy no ma. On your manuwa wa so ya scam wow. Iwa go yo because on manuwa. Yeah, God boa. Manakada this. Why but I can you scam wani. On any why you see like if you say something, you send that tracking number. Yes, more points is here no. I no need to be offended anyone, but I was my 19 years. Oh, because as I did, so a deck benny post. As I did post, I send you your tracking number. And my yap here, where Mama West you receive here when can you hear all? They can ask come with me or wash you, but I'm not my 19 years. Madam, who I will scam on last 2 weeks, I be in my honey, woman pay your name. I called the lady, say, refund your account, send me your number, your account number, me and refund your money. I don't get goat meat again. That is me. He said, Mama, I beg when you go get. I say, silence. He said, go wait. As they got me come, I see you and do video, say thank you so much. They all train you well. If not, so now they'll control matter for me because I don't need any insult. When I know, so I don't
Yeah.
get that thing. Now me, Vivian, I'll say, I can't you. Where did for me go when instantly? Because I hate nonsense.
My G
Let's
from
be
this.
honest. My lady, why say la wo? Why Gabriel my kiwa? Bye bye.
You see what
For
this my
sending me
sister
more.
talk to Vivian. So when I hear this my sister talk here, Vivian. Some of them when they do business now, they make people not they trust you now.
Now I want to go
You
buy
do
me
something
from
go
that
give
place.
person.
As Zeda.
You do something go give person on a normal. You set tracking number follow am as a trust. Say yes, you have told me this. And where do I tell way I think? That's why I tell Mrs. Kevin and the younger sister say, make they relax.
She just do like say she don't know me. And who they talk? I better write me for WhatsApp. I don't know. They write you for WhatsApp.
Yeah.
No, please
Say
send
my money,
me.
I may ready your lawyer.
Who be that one, Michelle? How you doing?
When I get this task, I broke for house. No,
How about that? Now,
Epa na yare manasi. What day there since now? This woman never send this tracking number. May we end this. May we also end this matter now. Oma send o.
Because she not post her now. I feel voice recording. Say she not post anything. Because she later tell me say the address not correct. Address I don't give you for the past 1 week now. Or going to 2 weeks. And today you come and tell me say address not correct.
wait for her.
Epa o. Me I dey get customers when be say maybe they paid
Yes,
now. Tell
so
them say I'll ship
lawyer
your
did.
load so day. Maybe no coffee, I no coffee ship. I will tell the customer if they disturb me. I say I'm a beg. I no fit come outside. I go ship am so time. Immediately I ship am, I will send you the details where I take ship am, the tracking number. But if I no fit still send that for you, immediately you remind me for WhatsApp. I go send that for you. The thing say not be even the issue. The issue be say this woman dey claim right on top of the promise wey she made. My sister dey write am, she no dey respond, she no dey pick up, nothing. Anybody when my sister send me write am, she go block the person. They comment for her comment section, she go delete the person, block
And I
am.
never they disturb her with call. I call the fear. She not reply after what she talk. Now I call they write her. I never they disturb her. I never get chance say okay, I call they disturb her. No. You know they reply me. What did they happen? When meet? You go give excuse after see what they happen.
Sharon writes me. Sharon say I follow your colleague buy something for TikTok. Oh, she not deliver. That's what be my colleague. He say they sell goat. Now I say send me the account. As I look the account, now say this woman, he get where this woman take there. Oh, not be this woman. I not get saga that time for people money. Now I say why you not tell me before you go order from her? He say you don't know. I see you just see the thing, the way you advertise, and you be like say not be scam. Now you just take go pay.
NOJ, I greet you, brother.
I
I hear you. You see, this matter where there, so for you to put mouth for this thing, and they say this tracking number is supposed to don't get her, so that our own case gets solved. These two ladies, they won't go self. It's just too simple. It clear say she never read one. Maybe I say she joined, she dey find another tracking number to put now. She never read one. Make she return the money. Make the embarrassment just finish. And sister, you and there, sorry, yeah. Senior sister and junior sister, when you want it good to me, sorry, yeah. No verse, nothing we're gonna fit do. You understand?
Yeah, not gonna let me go to it again.
No eat am. Even if you reach your side, may I give my way be. If you know you the goat, maybe bring a call for me. I beg.
May you just transfer the 250.
Exactly.
My buy 120.
You want shop the goat meat?
I will eat goat meat now. If the president may bring a call.
Anyway, you want.
I go eat goat meat.
Goat meat when we still wait for tracking number, where we never see tracking
I
number.
don't need tracking number.
Fine,
Make give me address. I'll go carry for your house. I don't need tracking number.
Imagine. Can you imagine? Well, okay, let's say she does send me the tracking number. Okay. I beg you, Mrs. Kevin, now you write me, I've been your younger sister writing this one.
See they ship things to me, I check am.
Okay.
We need to check her knife and the real one she sent come. You pay my money for me.
Yeah.
250 will not be money. So say they scam people collect their money.
Okay. I better write me for my WhatsApp. Just say right. Okay, Kevin, when we work me here. Yes. Okay.
Just let me write down.
Okay.
I know
The
what
date
was
go there.
the way people they hide the address of goat meat for this European.
I just tire.
Maybe it be like heaven on a government document. Goat meat before you see
Alright.
person. Now so my guys they'll go kill goat meat as they
Date,
come. They'll say
no
they no
date,
kill
no
goat, but their
name.
body they smell goat.
You can send anybody, you can send any tracking number to anybody. No date, no name. If I display this thing for live stream, well, that people
Where
still see am.
business? Where business?
And
Now
display
where?
am so that people when they do business go still see am.
If an fake tracking number.
Na fake. I dey track am now immediately. Not be the tracking number be that. You can send this to anybody. Sharon, I just send am for you.
Okay.
If I display am, make people for see am.
Then they see, I made for track and then I really that goat meat. Ojido.
And this people. What's the day? Tu avais y avait we to carry who? Like who y avait we to carry.
If I got the recruit people for a meeting, or don't go ladies club free of charge. When want to scam una again.
No name, nothing. Wrong tracking number.
Hey, was it be? Larry, didn't send them with your term, didn't send them with you now. Vivian said they're going. Oh, yeah, man, Vivian said they're going. Hey, you go confirm me now.
Let me see the email for you.
Didn't more the biscuit,
Epa. Make I turn my this thing, make I turn am and see wetin this woman send for me. I don't track am, and see am. Without one a very big for. Epa, make I turn my screen and see wetin this woman send for us. The tracking, I don't track her now. Make I show now wetin this woman send. That very big criminal that she be. Epa, mo make a big screen. Mona, they see wetin this woman they send. They send these things is on the 17th, and they send this thing. What should be 17?
Yeah, today not 13 now.
We don't have 13.
17th of February.
What should be 17?
17th of February.
Yeah.
I need them.
Okay, say you send that on Friday. On Friday night, you send that. Today not Friday.
Hello?
Around 8.
Today not 13.
Today, check the down before this application of a thing. There is Friday 13th, 2026 there.
Yes, there is Friday 13th. What about the person's name? The details, where did this thing they go? The address.
The address is supposed to be there.
Wait, it's show 13th.
Yes, they show 13th, but the name is not here. The person where they send and go give. My sister address is not here. So I want to know that she get this particular tracking.
Danny, as far as it show 13th.
Put your postcode now.
Danny. Okay, the show today will be 13th, Abi?
Yes, and she said she done it yesterday.
No, she said she done it this morning. What did she tell us just now? He said she can't go rectify him this morning. If not, I'm managing, man.
Epa, no problem. Say she do it this morning. The name of the person, the destination is not there. The destination address is not there. And it's supposed to be there.
Okay.
They said you should push your postcode. Maybe that might.
13th. You know.
WhatsApp.
All right, time for you.
Hell. Shipment accepted by the carrier.
Okay.
Shipment has been placed in the parcel
346.
center of origin.
That's it.
The shipment has been posted by the sender at the retail outlet. Hello.
I be the send request for up. Me you for bring me up.
What will be your name? What will be your name?
Boss lady K Woman King.
Lawa Mary. Boss lady, aka Woman King.
That's what we're marking. We're marking Ghanaian down.
I beg. May we use diplomacy. If there's anything that will go wrong here, it should be coming from me, the host. I beg. Because we are my tier bossing. May we they do this thing.
If I'm going to tell you WhatsApp, and she's coming here to pretend.
That one on WhatsApp. Giovanni Damio.
Epa beg. Most settle this issue. May everybody just go. I don't want problem.
Now you
Epa,
Mrs. Kevin, now you first start this problem. Now you start this
Boss
problem.
lady, wait,
Because
make
now
I
you
talk.
start to insult me.
Wait, no, just
Okay,
Epa, mo just
talk.
settle
I
this
dey hear
issue.
you.
May I just talk. Wait, boss lady.
Okay, talk.
Epa, may I talk? I beg. See,
Talk.
wetin we need. Epa, wetin we need. You go see reason now. If not you. This issue, my sister pay on the 1st. She said she will receive the load on the 3rd. And from there, she not call the response to message, she not call the pick up. My sister reach out to people, make them still help talk to her. She not they pick their call, she they block them for TikTok, anywhere they for reach out to her.
They delete
Why
the
you dey
message.
lie? Can you bring the evidence?
It's true.
Why you dey lie? That be my problem with
Boss
you. Why are
lady,
you lying?
please, mute,
If
make
you
I
want to
talk,
fight
abeg.
someone, fight with the truth. Not come here they lie because you don't already the best for me, my dear.
Mute, make I talk.
No, they lie. Talk truth. Who you bring me?
Mute now, make I talk now.
Let me
You
see.
mute, you when they
Why
talk,
are you
mute,
lying?
Make I talk.
Because of bad belly. Why you dey lie?
Boss lady,
Not
you
be
mute,
bad.
make I
They lie.
talk
Immediately
now.
they write when you want post my meet, you deleted the
Mute,
comment,
make
you
I
block
talk.
the
You
person.
mute.
Mona,
You
take
don't
her
mute.
easy,
Now,
abeg.
wait.
Maybe people listen to now.
Yeah.
Epa, wetin I need?
If you talk finish,
Yes.
you go wait, maybe boss will talk.
Exactly, Epa. Yes, I'll wait make she talk.
One
Epa,
by one.
Epa, wetin I need? Wetin my younger one need now? The meat. My sister not trust boss lady with her belly again. I be one. I will make my points. Then you fit carry on from there, Pa. My sister not trust boss lady with her belly again. That's one. Secondly, my sister don already report this issue for police. That's two.
Okay.
Because say this issue don't go to that extent, my sister will not collect the goat meat when they deliver, and that's it.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
That's your own
Yes, our
decision.
stand. Yes, me and my sister stand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. May we hear from hello Iye. May we hear from me. He said they're going to imio he said the rich aki going no.
Name not the track.
Because you know sabi track am. Una go dey
I know
blame
sabi track. You dey craze. Social
You
media
dey
no sabi
mad.
track. Wetin be
Na
this
you dey
one?
mad.
Wetin be your
You
problem?
dey craze.
Wetin be your problem? Social
I
media no
never
sabi
insult
track
you
am.
since. If you insult me, I go insult you back.
Say na him, but we not go receive
You
am.
don
I don
confirm am say na him.
but
You
we
see
not
you
go
now.
receive am. There's no need to talk. We not need am.
You not go
eat
receive.
it,
Okay,
eat
and
the
thank
money,
God the
eat
receipt is
everything,
there.
yes.
If you want,
We not
the
go
receipt
receive am
is not
because we not trust
ready.
you with our
Let's go
belle.
there.
We need to drag you for social media before you respond.
You need to drag me. Do you will be the sister? So you call me.
Boss lady, wait. See, here not be other platform where they for they insult themselves, they shout for themselves. Even now mature people they here, and now mature people still they watch us this night. I beg, I use God to take beg now. Mrs. Kevin, you don't talk. Abi, boss lady, now you they talk now where we go. I beg Mrs. Kevin, wait, me she still talk and
If you tell me, you still talk, pa.
Okay, so I believe say thank you so much. I believe say I'd already explained some parts to you why the meat delay reach like this. You understand? So she they say no be a tracking number, no be a tracking number. You not sabi do one, you go tell person when it's sabi do one, make it show you. as I send you the tracking number, you put some for line as you the tracker. You go put your postcode for there. Your name, your city go appear. Why they show
why this
today
woman
date?
not come on camera?
Madam, wait.
She's supposed to come on
Madam, you
camera.
go wait. I know lights not there where I did. Lights not there where I did.
Adam, yo, the go on there was a good name. I don't tell they do. Was a good one. Very good.
You put your address, your postcode for there. It go show you the person name and the person city when they go. And another thing again, you say you not go carry. I need to refund, or you don't go police station. I am a registered business person. If you call me anywhere, I go answer you. Shebi they hear me so. I have my rules in my business. I don't do if on my page I don't do refund. I can change anything for you, but I don't do refund. Before you buy something from someone, you need to check the person page, how the person they do our business. I don't do refund. Now because that Sherry, so now already my fault. Say maybe Sherry don't press. I don't want to send what you don't press give you. That make me tell you say okay, send me your account. I go send you back the Sherry money. But for that goat meat, if you say you don't want to carry, and that is not my fault. When we go to police station, we judge it. This is Dutchland, don't be Nigeria. As you report your own case, now so police go call me. I will also make my statement with my proof. Everything is there.
Okay.
EU registration law, it goes like this.
Okay.
My sister get 14
EU
days.
registration law.
Mona, wait. Una bring case come for no G now.
Wait. 14 days like
Madam,
she get.
Mrs. Kelvin,
for you 14 days.
Mrs. Kelvin, listen. You brought this case. If you be say you fit do this case by yourself, you know, brother, come meet this honorable, cute, tall man with wisdom. Now you bring her come here. You constantly they talk. You leave her. May thousands are watching. You understand? Let's deliberate on this case.
Not best. You know, say I still they say something. So where she for still wrong, I'll still correct her. Not best,
the way you take they do your business, don't be so I take they do my business.
I will go abeg. More than not best for me. I beg. I say.
The way this matter dey, if we do hot temper, we not go see the end of this thing like this. I will very only. I go very hiri and I'm your toy. To we more when you bring her for me, may I judge her. Right? You go wait, make you see the way we take judge this issue. Now there is a clear evidence, according to my PA with France, where he sent me the tracking code just now saying that today she take one.
No. Why they show today be say I go there, make they change the address. Because her post make she check her postcode not correct.
Why my postcode not correct? You can't change them
again.
You
lie. Your postcode now 922. You send me 9. Your postcode now 922. You send me 9.
Not for her postcode now. Privacy.
Boss lady Mudiane, Muna wait.
Oh my God.
If I tell una Muna talk, now una go dey talk. Wa Mudia.
No problem.
Why you are we here now? You know, I bring this issue for me. The best one I bring the issue here. Maybe she don't off that, she don't naked now. She can't go the wear clothes this night. That's why I take her out. Say, okay, if that afternoon she will come on video. I'll not be small picking. Sit time 8 minutes to 12 o'clock. Maybe where she, the kind place where she did, she don't fit come on camera. I understand. But the issue of the matter with the on ground, we have to do it diligently well. As far say she say she does send down, I use God take beg una. May una fair receive goat meat first before I will know what to talk from there. You don't already tell me, Mrs. Kelly, saying I'm not just now they use the goat meat they do. She says she register a African store. Say she not they do refund now because they share it not good. That's why she they do refund. I hear. But the bone of contention now is this: may we fair receive the goat.
If I want if the goat cost spoil the meat before I reach my side.
Sharon, don't do. You don't hear. Don't do. You rest.
Giovanni,
rest. Relax.
Video round. Send that for me. Say if I don't receive the goat meat, then I know what to do from there.
But for the
she promised. Wait, Mrs. Kelvin, wait. She promised tomorrow or on Monday. So may we wait for that tomorrow or on Monday, because you don't get now we want to tell them that say may they bring the goat come back. Maybe where they don't carry and reach now, it already they far already.
If I should do one.
So let's wait. before she go come do am like that go fit spoil. So I wan really know if she sell the goat meat. That's why I say more na patient, make we wait. At least tomorrow you not see goat meat, on Monday you not see goat meat, then we'll come back here to ask her question. Say, you say you send this thing, why they never see until now? Because if you tell this lady to go and call it off, how you want to know say she really sell the goat meat?
I send down. If I not send, I guess some people will be say they see they wait. Will be say now today I go receive their own food. If I not send down, I go tell and say I never send down more. I not go. I not be.
You see where I tell you just now say all these things will they happen so. Now you they use your hand to they cause all these things because as far as you know now lay you one, you get family, you get children, you go so if you do the one way you go fit take. If they take orders when you go fit quick deliver to, so that other customers will come in. Not be say you go take order finish. At the end of the day, if they come they ask you for goat meat, you come they tell them make they wait. Say goat meat never dey grand. Before you make your orders, call the person they give you goat meat. Tell them say how many goat meat they are available? You go say 20. Make sure say that 20 orders you want call. Not collect past that 20.
No, if I don't understand that, that's why people when they buy goat meat, they know how the matter they be.
If me no say
The
the
man like this.
I'll come back for your hand.
The man,
you not talk
abeg,
like
wait, I know they talk to you. Calm down, quiet.
You not
I know
talk
they
like
to
this.
you.
Say you give this one, give this one. I will come meet you if they give this one, give this one.
Abeg,
Boss
I
lady,
not get
boss
anything
lady,
to talk
you
with
see
you.
when you they talk, you know you're
I am no fun.
Now you come sabi talk. Now you come sabi talk, Miss Kelvin.
On
Now you
that main
sabi
day, but
talk.
once you don't pass what you talk, that agreement not they stand again. Once you don't pass that 2 days when you say you want a post stand, come. You are supposed to do a refund. Not be what you say, you not be do refund. You say money not be your problem, it will be 250 euros. But now you not be do refund.
Giovanni, first and foremost, you go send me the account. I will send her give her. Make she put the 27 euro for the sherry first. Maybe she'll do that one tomorrow. Maybe not be this night again. Then let's patient and wait for the goat meat. Me, I'm not waiting to do if that goat meat don't come. Relax. But more now wait for that goat meat. You say you know the shop again. Your elders are saying you know me, you know it again. She said she know they do refund of anything. When they carry and go there, when they want carry and go. Then let's wait for the goat meat to come. If goat meat don't come, I will know what to do from there. If you not still receive her, may you call here to say, and you not receive her more, she go still go to DHL where she for now say, how come the thing when she post, they never still receive her? Maybe she'll still record all those ones sent for me as evidence of proof. Finish. So I beg, on this very issue, boss lady, Mrs. Kevin.
If I fit talk something.
Yes, but I beg. Not be say I talk this through now. Now go see the insult myself for WhatsApp.
But the last message when she sent for me, now she insult me. I not talk to her again. I not talk to her.
Not be as I talk now.
You not talk to her or you insult me, now I block you. I reply you, now I block you.
You not person when they reply. May you keep quiet.
I know the person when they reply, but you carry my matter come media. Without even calling me, without even hearing from me for the first place.
Boss lady, I want just talk smart because they Onoji they receive call. Now you fuck up for you. You're supposed to.
She's very rude on WhatsApp.
Giovanni, wait. I'm not talking for you to reply. The boss lady, this is customer. Customers mainly sometimes they are right. Customer, somebody order. I don't sell goat meat before for Paris. I don't sell goat meat before. I just keep it quiet. Make the talk since you supposed give them this their order since from the first person they expecting meat. In no come time. You should have been on the aspect of no vest. I don't know as it go be like this. So no vest. If they call you, go quick pick call. As the thing no could deliver that day, you carry for say the person they bring goat meat. You know come the hotel talk more. No worry. You know if you come again tomorrow next tomorrow. The thing go they calm their mind down. Say they are ghost till they come.
Bros, me and this girl, so when he come, they deny everything for you. We talk how many days ago? I explained to her for phone when she called me for phone.
Madam, listen.
I explained to her. Why you say they come online when they talk another thing?
Wait, if I know you want to talk now, keep quiet. if it be say you talk to them politely, I don't see anything go trigger them go police station.
Now her sister, now they trigger
wait,
her
see,
because she don't
madam
already
me.
there for me. Now her
wait.
sister.
You see rudeness.
Good evening.
I don't listen.
Really?
Madam,
For WhatsApp.
madam.
I don't go. My sister
Really?
don't
You
go
can
for
message me for WhatsApp. You can message me for WhatsApp.
Hey, what
I talk, I beg.
What you want to?
Sir, I beg this uncle Eddie. What are you doing there? What you dey do for there? Tell me what you dey do for there. The matter concern you. See the way you dey talk like woman. Now your business. I don't understand. Why did Mrs. Kevin? Why you?
Good evening, sir.
recruit, they don't go to recruit our members, they come.
See you, Nana. That will be your problem. Don't go to recruit a member. They come.
Goat meat matter they had, goat meat matter they had.
Who don't know I
This
got
for
meat
when they fight for goat meat. I hope
because
I
you
get
be hater.
document.
That's why body they pepper you.
Goat meat no easy.
Oh no,
I'm not fight for goat meat for very on a deal.
Can you imagine say because of goat meat matter, I enter another day for that video.
Goat meat matter go far. Come on your hand.
I enter another day for that video because of goat meat matter.
I'm not going to understand. Goat meat matter go far. They don't settle goat meat matter. This goat meat matter for these people. If I don't settle this matter,
Mrs. Kevin,
discharge them.
I don't already they close to start settlement. I already tell them say, make we patient with the goat meat to come first before any other thing. Because now she don't send us now say see the tracking number. Then we need to wait for the goat meat to arrive before we will know what to do. That is it.
Okay, sir.
I beg, Epai no. Just help me ask this girl. Make she tell you the truth. Whether the address when she sent for me they correct. Just tell her me she send you.
Meanwhile, if the address not correct, now today you dey write me, they tell me say address not correct, it's on the first.
Because
It's on the first.
I go there, go ask them. Say waiting they
Madam.
I know your address. Make it compare with the one when you just send down.
I know
the address.
Why you not because it's on the first? Why they come today? Because say you don't see me for
They call you
yesterday. And today you they write me.
Mrs. Kevin, just close your mouth because I don't get any connection with you. If now your sister they talk to me, since I don't go talk, just close your mouth there, please.
You get around to talk to me.
Shut the fuck up because I don't have any business with you.
Boss lady, it's okay.
Haters.
It's
Who they
okay.
hate you, thief?
You,
Boss lady,
idiot. Only they pepper you for
They
you say you come here now they claim say you don't know me before. Really?
Giovanni,
yes, I father.
you. That's why I hear me. Not be say you want your goat meat. You go see goat meat eat. Because I never get what I wanted, even you will be the Giovanni. Because as far as say you don't give her wrong address from the beginning. Now you say you
on that very first day, she's supposed to tell me, say something they miss. Now today she they tell me that one now.
Address. Now me you show your address.
What you go do for DHL office today? You don't know wrong address.
Show your address.
She never said that before.
Really?
Okay.
I don't get anything to ask today.
Mrs. Kevin.
The screenshot of their chat, I'll send all of them for you after this live stream.
Say that now, not be after the live stream. Say that now.
Sit down.
Okay, make I
Say
send
that. Make she send her correct address when they send her post.
Oh no, this goat meat matter. You no go settle today.
Show you.
Send you address on the first
If I don't get other issue to deal with.
Correct. Second day, third day.
Ask her what they know. I
goat
don't
meat
know
matter.
The way people say they hide the address for goat meat.
I dey your house.
Goat meat oh.
Whether you dey my
your
house.
You goat meat no dey your city, madam. When you wear the way big go, you don't get goat meat for your city.
I see goat meat for here. They go there. Wetin be your own?
Boy.
When see goat meat for my city, now me dey tell my long throat. They go meet boss lady and need to go.
Now.
Yeah. Which kind city without goat meat no dey?
You see this case is hereby adjourned till the day you will see that goat meat.
Thank you,
Make
pa.
sure you take a video and send to me. Mrs. Kevin,
Sir?
be like that.
Okay, sir.
Go insult on yourself for WhatsApp. I know take her likely. I only talk am now because now I use another day to come off on live stream. So let this matter there like this stay. If goat meat come before we know what to do.
No problem,
Okay?
Paul. What's it?
Ma'am.
I am.
Boss lady, let's say
How much got me before?
Okay, thank you.
200 euro. Not bad. Full one.
200 full goats.
Yeah, not bad.
Yes.
Not long throat.
If the goats come,
on the long goat they cost, yes.
Goat dey
Ogbonna,
cost.
not be Germany, you felt day before Ogbonna.
Me, I
As
chop, I dey buy goat
as at
meat.
2021,
Where
I
they
said
pursue
goat
the
meat
goat?
200 euro.
That one at 2021
I still say goat meat 200 euro for woman for Chateau Rouge.
Full goat 2019 for 70 euro. Full goat.
Sister,
So,
you want full in fridge before.
I dey tell you, I be saying I dey full my freezer. I don't know if I be my two left leg carry me go there.
You go fit.
No worry, she go deliver to you. Pardon, Pumat.
Boss lady, go your relax. Ma, Wesley.
Mercy, thank you.
Epa, what's it? No problem.
Okay.
Epa, where mama now?
Mama, they sleep.
Let me greet on.
Now where all of them don't go. Una where they add goat meat address. Now tomorrow, now I go come beat you now. Wait, be say we go they ask una say send us goat meat. Now they tell say una not know, and all of una go they buy the goat meat for there. Whether now they look goat meat like goat though, I don't know. Because it's not all this thing they bother my mind. May I use this opportunity to talk today. As something that goat meat topic with day.
If I tell you why. I first said goat meat. The reason be say they had this goat meat. Yes, they had this goat meat address for me where until one of the guy can't go do MC for Ipikin. He no pay me money, so he called me saying go show me road for the goat meat. You understand? Now he carry me go that place. Actually, if you reach where they buy goat meat, the person where they sell the goat, they no authorize people to kill goat meat for a place. He go only show you one place inside this bush. Say me you do one here, make people know. You use that gas something when be like waiver, take do one, and he go plead with you say I beg. If they hold you for road, no tell them say na inside here because a license na to train goats, as in rare goats, na be your own. But you know something we Nigerian people know. If one don't know, two don't know, three don't know.
If my wife they had that, she don't cut us me I call that goat meat.
Now they tell say if one person don't know Nigerian person, you know say goat meat, e get different spirit wey follow goat meat. They will come food there, they will cast demand. So that's just the thing.
Okay, no problem, my brother. Now do well.
Is there against the law to kill goats? Because if they catch the person where they kill the goat, don't tell you say you want kill am for you. He go tell you say me you buy. And for there, now 40 euro, 50 euro, 60 euro, that they buy and there. The man go say me you carry and go. Now you come back and say me I kill am. He go say my hand no deal. Because you kill am, na problem you get. Yes, now goat meat higher. Okay, pa. If you buy two, if you get lucky, if you reach there, they go tell you say 4 you die this morning. You go you happy for that 4 where die. You no collect money for your hand for that 4 when you newly die. All those when you say they don't burn, they don't tire, they don't weak like do, they will die. If you be saying that yesterday die, you know quick and roast time. No, people no go know. If unless you reach there, you see say you no meet anyone die.
They go call the seller for that kind of mat.
You know why, pa? To carry goat meat come, you put that for freezer, may fair block. But if you no block, if you go carry for bag, the blood where you carry for train or anywhere, the blood leak. They'll come check this blood. Our blood leak for a train. They'll come use tester, carry and go hospital. They'll come the trace with camera. So who carry goat meat enter here? Who kill goat? Who kill animal? So these things now measures when you go put in plane into calculation.
Ebola noise you.
So all this, if you come so finally succeed, the person who want buy them, you go charge her in case. If a goat meat heavy you. To carry goat meat, unless you comot the neck and the head and all those things in testers and all, goat meat heavy to carry,
And that one where this man want buy, so you go have your full goat for
e
way
dey be like horse. Goat dey be like horse. No be say na joke.
No be small money DSA or collect for that one. No.
Goat meat, as you say 200, so it's okay, but and
If
again,
I tell people make they follow my new page,
I don't follow them well.
Nowadays wey be say meat wey dey sell for market no be real meat again. So na only goat meat, turkey and fish na we
I
Africans
swear.
dey put
Even
mind.
fish self, some fish self be like I don't
Na
know.
fake meat, fake